Hi, I'm Tom, and in this quick tip I will show you how to easily view your IFC project in its geographical context using IFClite. So this is my IFC project, a simple building in my authoring software, and to view it in its geographical context I will switch to a web browser and go to the IFClite address, and here I will just open my file. And it's this one, so I will open it. It loads quite fast, so this is my IFC file. And now I will just click this button to see it in the 3D context. It's loading the map for a while, but just after a while you can see that I've got my IFC model seen in the 3D context. So now it's easy for me to see how it's placed in relation to its surroundings. And I could also present this and talk about the project with my client. What you can do here is load several IFC files at once. So if I want to add another IFC file, I will click this button and I will load another project, which is a small spa, and it will load also in its geographical context, and it's this building, so I can view several buildings in the geographical context and in relation to each other. So this is pretty cool, as IFClite is completely web-based and it's open source software and it's free and it requires no login, so it's always at your fingertips. It just needs internet connection. You can also see that when I select the object, here is a simple map with the location, and I can open either Google Maps or OpenStreetMap with the location of the object. IFClite offers many other features, but I wanted to show you this one in this quick tip. The prerequisite for this to work is that your IFC models are correctly georeferenced. And if you want to learn how to correctly georeference an IFC model, you can watch my video where I explained how to add georeferencing data to IFC file using Bonsai. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.